Hello everyone, my name is Sean Makowski and I'm coming to you from Rapid View here in Rochester, Indiana. Today I'm bringing a tech tip on how to do a LISY sync. Okay, first things first, you want to hook up your mainline cable to the back of your tractor. You want your lateral cable running through your LISY with your Orion camera on, and both cables need to be through your downhole roller. And then your lateral cable needs to come through the roller off of your lateral launch drum. Now we're going to run the LISY in the tractor out to where the soft hard black tube meets your yellow hard tube on your lateral cable. Now we're going to get ready to set up to do the LISY sync. First you want to remove the front panel of your lateral drum to give you access to your bottom board. By taking that panel off, it allows you to gain access to your top and bottom boards, which we'll be concentrating on the bottom board. There is a connection right here where you plug your programming adapter in, and then there is a button right here, as you will see further along, that you will need to, it's a reset button to reset your term. This is your programming adapter. You will need an RS-232 cable. One goes into the programming adapter and the other end goes into a laptop computer. This is your term, and this is how it should look once it is connected to your bottom board on your lateral drum. Also, you want to go up here to Setup, go to Serial Port. Everything should look the same except for your COM port will change. It will be depending on which port on your computer, but your baud rate should be 19.2, data should be 8-bit, parity none, stop is 1 bit, flow control is none, and then click OK. Right now, I'm going to hold on to the lateral cable to put some slack in it to see how the lateral drum sucks it up before it would get ran over, and that needs an adjustment. Right now, we are going to make an adjustment through term on your lateral cable. This is option 1, which is the tube factor. It is already set at 110. This step you would decrease by 10 until your cable responds correctly. So we are going to set it for 100. Enter. Then option 2, which is the tube offset, it is set for 700. We are going to go up to about 750. This number increases while the first number decreases by 10. This number you can increase by 50. Enter. After you enter your options, you always want to hit S for save and E for exit. Now we'll check our final adjustments to see how well the lateral cable is retracting. You grab a hold of it, give it a little slack, and see how it retracts in. Then here's another way we can check. We come down here Give it a little shake back and forth. That looks good there. And also on the way back, pulling in, your lateral cable, you will notice, is a little bit lower than your main line. That's how it should sit when it's been correctly synced. Things to look for when syncing a LISY cable prior to the synchronization. It does not retract as quick as it should. There is a lot of play in the lateral cable. Things to look for once the cable is synced. It retracts very quickly. There is no slack in the cable when testing to see if it is retracting correctly. And also, your lateral cable will hang a little bit lower than your mainline cable. Thank you for joining me for today's tech tip.